In human male reproductive system, testes is considered as primary sex organ. Testes are located outside abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum, necessary for maintaining low temperature, required for spermatogenesis. Each testis consists of 250 compartments called testicular lobule. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 coiled seminiferous tubule. Two different types of cells are present. Male germ cell form sperm and Sertoli cell or sustentacular cell provide nourishment to developing sperm. The space outside seminiferous tubule is called interstitial space. This space contains interstitial cell or leading cell which synthesize testosterone androgen hormone. Tubule united to form red testes open in vas efferentia lead to epididymis and further vas deferens. Male accessory gland contains paired seminal vesicle, unpaired prostate gland and paired bulbourethral gland. Secretion of these accessory gland constitutes seminal plasma. Seminal plasma along with sperm forms semen. pH of semen 7.4. Reproductive system का डायग्राम देख पा रहे हैं. Part of fallopian tube closest to ovary is infundibulum. In human, fertilization occur in oviduct or fallopian tube. Ampullary stomach junction mainly ampulla. Uterus 2-part main body and upper fundus. Spermatogenesis is the formation of sperm from spermatogonia or primordial germ cell. Spermatogenesis involves 3 phases: multiplication, growth and maturation. The sequence of spermatogenesis is spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid, sperm or spermatozoa. Formation of sperm from spermatid is known as spermiogenesis. Sperm head finally embedded in Sertoli cell and released from seminiferous tubule by the process called spermiation. One primary spermatocyte forms 4 sperm and one secondary spermatocyte forms 2 sperm. Spermatogenesis begins from puberty period. Oogenesis is the formation of ovum or egg from oogonia or primordial germ cell. Oogenesis begins from fetal period. Oogonia, primary oocyte, secondary oocyte and egg cell. During oogenesis, polar body are formed, which maintain basically chromosome number in egg and provide sufficient amount of cytoplasm within egg necessary for initial embryonic development. One primary oocyte forms 1 egg and one secondary oocyte forms 1 egg. Follicular development: primordial follicle, primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, mature Graafian follicle. Tertiary follicle is characterized by fluid-filled cavity called antrum. In tertiary follicle, theca layer differentiate in theca externa and theca interna. In tertiary follicle, primary oocyte completes its meiosis first to form secondary oocyte. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle mainly operate in female primate like human, ape and monkey. अब आप इस डायग्राम पे देख पा रहे हैं कि menstrual cycle is divided into 4 phases: menses, second follicular or proliferative phase, third ovulatory and fourth luteal or secretory phase. Pituitary hormone FSH predominant stimulate growth of follicle. In proliferative phase, ovarian hormone estrogen increases the thickness of endometrium. Ovulatory phase occur at the mid of cycle. Ovulation is the release of secondary oocyte from Graafian follicle in presence of LH and FSH. LH and FSH helps ovulation. After ovulation, degenerated Graafian follicle is known as corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is yellowish in color due to presence of lutein pigment. Corpus luteum secretes huge amount of progesterone and estrogen. Progesterone stimulates the thickness of endometrium and stimulate endometrial cell to synthesize nourishment. In absence of fertilization, corpus luteum degenerate as corpus albicans after 14 days. Fertilization can only occur if sperm and ovum transported simultaneously in ampulla. After fertilization, single-celled embryo is formed. Embryo undergoes cleavage. Cleavage starts from fallopian tube. Cleavage required till formation of blastula stage. Cleavage is mainly affected by amount and distribution of yolk. Daughter cell formed by cleavage are called blastomere. During cleavage, cell size decreases but the overall volume of embryo remains same. Implantation is the attachment of blastocyst with endometrium. Blastocyst consists of trophoblast and inner cell mass. Trophoblast releases HCG hormone, maintain corpus luteum. Inner cell mass behaves as embryoblast and forms a future embryo. Functional unit between developing embryo and maternal body is known as placenta. Placenta facilitates the supply of O2 and nutrient and removal of CO2. Placenta acts as endocrine tissue and releases various hormones like HCG, HPL, relaxin, progesterone, estrogen. HPL, HCG, and relaxin are released during pregnancy. Delivery of fetus is parturition. The signal for parturition originates from fully developed fetus and placenta. The mechanism is called fetal ejection reflex. Stimulate the maternal pituitary to release oxytocin. Oxytocin acts on uterine muscle and causes stronger muscle contraction. Milk produced initial few days of lactation is called colostrum, rich in antibody, and colostrum provide natural passive immunity.